What's up guys, how you doing? This is Saik. Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, as you saw in my last vlog, I picked up the DJI Mavic Pro from my friend Anwar. So right now I'm going to fly it for the first time. I'm heading to Prospect Park. I'm here, I'm waiting on my friend Topazal. He's gonna help me out with the shoot today. So yeah, so I'm very excited. Never flown a drone before. Today will be the first time. Let's see how it goes.
What's up guys?
Oh, what's going on, Topazal?
I guess some, fresh biryani for you guys. So,
Homemade?
Homemade biryani.
Oh
with
man,
salad
looks
on
good.
it. I hope you're gonna love the smell. And,
Yo, I wish you can smell through the camera. You can.
you guys try.
Smells delicious, yo.
So, Snadbhai, you wanna try some?
No, thank you.
By the way, I got my friend Ismail too over here. He's never been on the
Hello.
vlog. What's up, Ismail bhai?
Good, how are you guys?
First time on the vlog. Welcome. We made it over to Prospect Park. Just parked. We got the gear over here. Show them, Tafajal. That's the drone. It is giving us safety. There are lots of people in the park, even though it's 35 degrees. But it's New Yorkers. Inside the park right now, go ahead, check it out. It's very empty right now. A lot of space. Check out the environment here. Snow people. Yeah. So this is what you're gonna do when you try flying your drone for the first time. You're gonna have a lot of space around you without any obstacles. So that way you don't crash into anything. Okay.
It's hot. You should laugh a little bit.
Yo. My buddy Anwar there, the owner of the drone, he's checking out that what's the restrictions around Prospect Park. Yeah.
So it goes.
Yeah.
Prospect Park is good.
You Gucci, bro.
It's a little bit of problem. Didn't check the battery on remote. I only have 11% charge. What do you got? I got enough battery here for the drone. I got like 2 extra batteries. So each battery is about 25 minutes. But on the remote, it's only
Oh my goodness.
11 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so we started the drone. I don't know how it's gonna go. Only 7% battery left on the remote. So we're gonna try to do a test flight for a couple of minutes. Let's see. Yeah. It's a sounding now, Alright, so it's hovering right now. 6% battery on the remote. Very unfortunate. So I just put it up there. I'm gonna record right now. And let's see how it goes, guys. Yo!
Check your battery. Check your battery shakers.
So about 5% battery left. I'm gonna return it home.
Nah, two for tolo.
safely landed.
So yeah, that's my first maiden flight. I got it out properly. I landed without crashing. unfortunately 5% battery left on the remote. Alright guys, it was very exciting, man. I flew this drone for the first time. DJI Mavic Pro, awesome drone. For beginners, no problem at all.
Yeah, great job.
Yeah, but thank you, Tawajal. So I think I did good. Not because I did a good job, but the Mavic Pro, how it's built and everything. Unfortunately, I had only 11% battery on the remote control, so couldn't fly for a long time. Only flew in about 5-10 minutes. So definitely, I'm gonna recharge it, come back another day. I'm already loving this drone. All right, guys. So expect a video review of this DJI Mavic Pro very soon. And today, I got my friends here. I got Ismail, Tofazal. Shout out to them. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping me making this video. So back to you. All right guys, I'll see you later. Till then, take care. Drive safe.